everything sucks. Just kidding, everything is great. No, really, I haven't thought about my ex today. Oh wait, fuck, I just did. But I went outside for the first time in a few days, and it felt nice, and I might try doing exercise. Not really.
You know, I'm really not good at TikTok transitions. You know, the part where girls go like that, and this, and the one that goes like wait, give me a sec. Makes you think, like, how do they do it in just one snap? Anyway, my point is, I think all women and men look just fine with or without makeup.
We'll begin the curl-ups now. Ready? Begin. Up, down, 1, up, down, 2, up, down, 3, up, down,